Another type of ratio question would involve maps. So first of all, remember the equation L1 over L2 square is equal to A1 over A2. L1, L2 is the ratio of map. Okay, normally is given. And the A1 is the area on map, and A2 is the actual area. Okay, and remember that the units should be same when you do the ratios, okay, because you're comparing like for like. All right, so let's do the first question. So first of all, the ratio is given 1 over 4,000 squared, and in this case the area on the map is given, so the A1 is given, so 5. So we need to find the actual area, so we're finding A2, so let that be X. And then if you do the calculation on the calculator, this is, well, there's 6 zeros with the 16, and then 5 over X. And when you do the maths on that, it becomes 80 with 6 more zeros. Okay, but notice that the unit is in cm square, so this is cm square. But there's a problem. The answers are all in meters square, so you need to learn the conversion rates. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 cm, but this is 1 meter square. But 1 meter square is equal to 100 times 100 cm, so which would be with 4 zeros. Okay, and why is that? Because 1 meter is actually 1 meter times 1 meter, and each meter is 100 cm, so it's 100 times 100, so it's 10,000. So that means I have to remove 4 zeros from here in my answer for X to convert them from cm to meters. So that would mean that take away 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's actually 8,000 meters square, and in that case the answer is C. Okay, so there's two things that they test you in these questions. One is the recognition of the formula, and the other thing is the conversion of the units. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's do the question 15. Okay, I'll let you do the 14 by yourself. So again, we can write down the formula. L1 over L2 square is equal to A1 over A2. Now, again, the problem is we have the area of the map and the actual area given in 2 different units. So it would be easier if you convert meters to cm square, because if you do it the other way, you need to divide it and it will make the number very small. Okay, so the actual area needs to be converted to cm square, but the 35 is already in cm, so we leave that 35 there. And then as we did number 13, we need extra 4 zeros to convert a meter directly to cm square, and that will be exactly what we will do, add the 4 zeros. And using the calculator, you should be able to get the answer. And you can roughly see the answer already because the denominator is so big. If we divide it by 35, it's not going to be any smaller, so the answer should be A. So it will be that. If you cannot see the answer, just press Shift ABC to make it a fraction, so you can see the answer rather than decimal point. Okay, so that's how you do these type of questions when we involve map ratio.